Alright guys, Eric here with Suppressed Weapon Systems. Today we're going to be shooting the CZ455 with our Monolithic Integral Suppressed Barrel. We're going to be using the Larson Davis Sound Meter. So we're going to start with how loud a finger snap is. Finger snap meter's 116. Let's reset the meter. Alright, now we're going to do a dry fire. No ammunition on an empty cylinder. All right, we got 116. All right, live ammo. We're shooting subsonic box 22 ammo. We got 115.7. $116.5. $116.7. So as you guys can see, the gun is no louder than snapping your fingers or dropping the hammer on an empty cylinder. Yeah, 114. Sounds pretty good to me for being inside.